All right, so just starting off, I'm just showing you exactly what I'm packaging. Today was just a Ivy t-shirt from the Ivy Basics line that I launched. But yeah, so I just fold the shirt. I like to fold neatly just because y'all know when you get a package and something doesn't look right, honey, you're going to be like, what is this? So yeah, I'm just folding that and I'm taking a business card. So fun fact, I used to order custom hang tags. And then I was like, you know what? I'm buying these custom hang tags that look exactly like my business cards. Why not utilize my business cards as my hang tags? So definitely a good small business hack for those of you who kind of want to cut costs with their business, but still maintain the brand and the aesthetic and the professionalism. So yeah, I'm using business cards technically slash hang tags to use as my hang tags. So now I use tissue paper to wrap all of my packages, and I usually use about 2 sheets because I found one kind of rips, possibly, when they're rough shipping my stuff. But I use 2 sheets of tissue paper, either white or black normally, and I just place the folded item in there. And I do it diagonally because I like the way it folds versus just putting it in the middle and in the middle of the square, if that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, so I just neatly kind of fold the tissue paper to my liking. And I do also have custom stickers that say my brand name, and I just neatly package it as you see. So last but not least, I just include a packaging slip, which is just a brief paper showing what the customer ordered. And then I also include another business card, and I do use custom poly mailer bags as you see here. And when I do these, I make sure to weigh them at least 2 times because if you get the weight wrong, you will have problems with shipping and you don't want to go through that. And then I just print off the shipping label and I just pack that baby right on. And the package is complete. Super easy. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.